Thinking about sprucing up your home before selling it? Worried you might slip up on the renovations? In this video, I'm diving into the top renovation blunders that home sellers often make, helping you avoid common pitfalls that could cost you time, money, and buyer interest. So let's get to it. I'm Karrie Hill, lawyer turned realtor. Whether you're buying or selling a house in Marin County, I'm here to help. And if you're looking elsewhere, I have a network of trusted realtors across the United States ready to step in. I love to help people just like you make a smart move. Just email me. Why renovate? There are only two reasons to improve your home when you sell: pocketing more cash and speeding up the sale. Yep, the right tweaks can get your house off the market faster and fatten up that closing check for you. The right choices. What's the magic formula? Making your home move-in ready. This term is realtor speak for homes where buyers can just drop their bags and start living. Today's buyers want turnkey places without the headaches of repairs or updates. Okay, there's a few that don't care, but most do. Homes that scream last decade won't cut it. Buyers crave sleek, current styles. Think of what's splashed all over your favorite home improvement shows. Miss the mark on the trends, and you might as well flush your renovation budget right down a very stylish toilet. Are you not sure what's in vogue? I'm going to provide current tips in this video. But before swinging a hammer or hiring someone to do that, chat with a realtor because they are plugged in to the latest home fashion. Otherwise, your idea of a chic update might be a home buyer's deal breaker. Expected return. Let's talk ROI, return on investment. If you're putting money into your house, you want to see it come back with extra dollar friends, right? Well, certain upgrades pull their weight more than others at sale time. And guess what? Some clever companies crunch these numbers to guide you. I team up with pros who pinpoint top dollar upgrades, forecast the ROI, and get the job done without upfront charges. That's right, they won't get paid until your sale closes. Talk about a win-win. And by the way, all my realtor friends across the United States can also offer that same service. Okay, well, let's jump into the 8 renovation mistakes that you don't want to make as a home seller. Neglecting curb appeal. Neglecting the exterior of your home is a critical mistake when you're trying to sell. First impressions are key, and if buyers are turned off before they even step inside, they may choose to just drive away and go to the next home to see. Why? Because letting your lawn grow wild or your paint peel can make your house scream, "This is a project," rather than "This home has potential." And while it's fun for buyers to imagine there may be a dramatic transformation on the inside, the outside is what lures them in, and you need buyers to come in. Simple fixes like a fresh coat of paint on the door, a new mailbox, or some vibrant flower pots can make a world of difference. A little love on the outside not only draws buyers in, but also sets the stage for what's waiting inside. So make the exterior inviting and watch potential buyers come rushing for a peek inside. Not updating kitchens and bathrooms. These are key areas that buyers focus on. Don't underestimate the power of modern kitchens and bathrooms to sway buyers' decisions. These areas are the heart and retreat of the home, heavily scrutinized during home tours. If they scream decades behind, buyers might bolt, seeing only dollar signs and dusty renovation projects ahead. Updating them can pivot a home from a market lingerer to a hot commodity. Swapping out old fixtures, applying fresh paint, and installing contemporary hardware can inject new life into these spaces. Remember, while avocado green bathtubs were once all the rage, today's buyers are looking for spa-like bathrooms and chef-inspired kitchens. Give them the sleek, functional spaces they dream about and watch your home climb to the top of their list. Replacing kitchen cabinets with open shelving. Speaking of kitchens, are you thinking of giving your kitchen a trendy makeover by swapping out cabinets for open shelving? That is a DIY trend that really can brighten up the space and let your fancy dishes steal the show. But be aware, that's better if you're gonna be living in a house, because if you're selling, while it might look fabulous on Instagram, potential home buyers might not be so thrilled. Buyers often crave the practicality and neatness of hidden storage. Lack of storage can be a major turnoff for buyers. If you're set on open shelving, well, keep the removed cabinets. That way, a future buyer can restore the kitchen to its original, more storage space state if needed. Floor painting. Sure, repainting your floors sounds like a budget-friendly refresh, especially if the wood underneath has seen better days. But hold up! When it comes to selling your home, this is one project you might want to skip. Buyers may see painted floors as a quick temporary fix rather than a quality upgrade. Plus, painted floors are notorious for their short lifespan, especially in high traffic areas. They tend to crack and chip within a year, turning your fresh look into a maintenance nightmare. Buyers will see this as an extra hassle and expense, and they don't want to deal with it. Instead of painting, consider more durable options like refinishing the wood or replacing damaged sections. These upgrades are far more likely to boost your home's value and appeal. But if you absolutely must paint, stick to neutral colors that won't scare off potential buyers and might stand a better chance of withstanding daily wear. And don't forget to keep some touch-up paint on hand to keep those floors looking their best. Neglecting basement and attics. Neglecting your basement and attic is like not collecting that pot of gold sitting right in front of you. These often overlooked spaces hold incredible potential to boost your home's value and appeal. You might think that an unfinished basement or attic is like a blank canvas for buyers, but to buyers, it looks more like wasted space. Think of the possibilities: a cozy family room, a home office, or an extra bedroom. By finishing these areas, you're not just adding square footage, you're creating inviting, functional spaces that buyers will love. Sure, it requires some investment, but the payoff can be huge. Finished basements and attics can set your home apart in the market, making it more attractive to potential buyers who are looking for that extra bit of usable space. So don't let these areas remain dusty and forgotten. Turn them into a game changer that seals the deal. Stick-on tiles. Stick-on tiles can be a tempting shortcut for a quick kitchen or bathroom makeover. They look great in photos and can transform a space in no time. But if you're thinking about selling your home soon, savvy buyers will notice the telltale signs of stick-on tiles immediately. Imagine a buyer walking in and spotting maybe some edges lifting or some misaligned patterns. This not only screams quick fix, but it also suggests potential maintenance headaches down the road. And a buyer may assume that this one cheap fix suggests that your home has other cheap fixes too. Major turn off. Instead of risking this scenario, consider investing in professionally installed tiles. Professionally installed tiles offer a durable, lasting solution that enhances your home's appeal and boosts its market value. Buyers will appreciate the quality and reliability, making your home more attractive, not less. Dark paint. Leaving your walls painted in dark hues can certainly make a bold statement, But if you're thinking about selling your home, this choice could be a major turnoff for potential buyers. Dark colors are notoriously difficult to cover up, requiring extensive priming and multiple coats of new paint. Plus, it makes things look smaller. Imagine a buyer walking in and feeling overwhelmed by heavy dark walls. They might instantly think of the hassle and expense of repainting, which can dampen their enthusiasm for your home. For homes on the market, stick to light, neutral colors. Those shades appeal to a broader audience and make spaces feel open and airy, creating a welcoming environment. Changing a closet. Thinking of transforming a closet into a cozy office nook? It's a popular project these days, especially with many people working from home and chasing those dreamy Instagram perfect spaces. But hold your hammer. While a closet conversion might rack up likes online, it could backfire if you're planning to sell soon. Families on the hunt for their next home often see closets as gold. Losing that storage space could make your property less appealing. If you're set on creating your dreamy nook from your closet, be smart about it. Store the original closet doors safely so that you can quickly switch back to the original setup if need be. Let buyers know you'll reinstall those prized doors faster than they can say, "I need more storage space." Hey, if you found these insights helpful, please subscribe, and here's some more content for buyers and sellers. At least these videos should be showing right now. Thank you for watching and have a great day.